Stop fighting your tools and start creating. You've seen the comments. Insightface Python error. Where is the wheel for 3.13? IPAdapter isn't loading. How do I install Triton and SageAttention on Windows? We hear you. At the 3-minute node, we're for the people by the people. We're tired of bloatware and installers that mess with your system settings. That's why we built the ComfyUI Advanced Installer, our own community edition. It's portable, it's 100% free, and it keeps your OS clean. One folder, zero drama. Let's get you running in record time. First, head to the official 3-minute node GitHub. Link is in the description. You'll see the ComfyUI Advanced Installer repo. One absolute requirement, you must have Git installed. We refuse to modify your OS, so we need you to have that ready. Go to the latest release and grab the v0.4 zip. Inside, you'll find 2 batch files, the Advanced Installer and the IPAdapter downloader. I'm going to drop these into a fresh folder on my C drive called Test. Keep it simple. Double-click the Advanced Installer. The script starts pulling a dedicated Python 3.13 embeddable environment. It's not just installing Comfy, it's pre-building all the tedious, hard stuff. We are talking locked versions of PyTorch CUDA 13.0, specialized Triton wheels for Windows, and that elusive Insightface wheel everyone keeps asking for. No boring troubleshooting required. It's also auto-cloning the heavy hitters, ComfyUI Manager, RG3, Impact Pack, and Seed VR2 for those 4K upscales we covered in our last video. At the end, the script asks to link your existing models. This is huge for saving disk space. I'm selecting my main models folder, and the script instantly generates a perfectly structured YAML file. No manual typing, no syntax errors. Once that's done, don't leave yet. Run the IPAdapter downloader in the same folder. It automates the tedious work of fetching the specific clip vision models, IPAdapter weights, and necessary low-res so you don't have to hunt them down manually. That's it. Hit run.bat. We're launching ComfyUI version 0.10 with SageAttention enabled. All essential custom nodes are pre-installed, updated, and most importantly, actually working. No red text, no missing dependencies, and 0 changes to your Windows system files. When you're done, you can move this entire folder to an external drive, and it will still work. The YAML linking and the IPAdapter auto-downloader weren't in the 0.1 or 0.2 versions. Those features exist because of your feedback. This script is built on your suggestions, so tell us what's still manual or boring for you, and we'll automate it. We are always listening. Download the script on GitHub, and let's get back to work. And that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.